Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this following video, I'm going to show you the ways to print your ticket from Ticketmaster UK. Now, printing your ticket from Ticketmaster UK is a straightforward process. Here's how you can do it. First of all, you need to go ahead and log in into your Ticketmaster account. For that, type in ticketmaster.co.uk. And when you type in the link, it's going to take you to the official page. Here press the profile icon and then log in into your account. When you're logged in, you could go to the section that says my ticket. This is usually found in the top right hand side corner of the home screen under the account name or in the menu option. Then you can find the event for which you want to print tickets and click on it to view the details about it. When you look for the details, then the option might say print ticket or view ticket. This option may vary slightly depending on the event and the ticket format. Then you can click the print or view option usually. Now, clicking the print or view option will usually open a PDF file of your ticket. In short, your browser allows pop-up as the PDF might open in a new window or on the tab. Then you can download the PDF to your computer if it does not automatically do it so. Then open the downloaded print PDF file and print it out using your printer. Ensure your printer settings are correct to print the ticket as well. So that's basically how you can print your tickets from Ticketmaster UK. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.